Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I'll tell you how to see where your AliExpress package is. So basically you need to track your order, and to do that open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and enter section My Orders. Now you want to find order that you want to track, tap on it to open its details, and you should see button tracking. So press it and your screen should look approximately like this. This is tracking information page, and here you can see estimate delivery date, your carrier, your tracking number, and basically your shipping updates. That's what you were looking for. But additionally, if you don't want to use AliExpress, you can drop this tracking number to universal tracking website. For example, AliExpress suggests me that I use this website that is called 17track, but personally I prefer more this website that is called parcelapp.com. So enter your tracking number here, then tap this icon and you will see your all information from all courier systems. But don't panic if tracking looks stuck, because AliExpress logistics are a little too slow to update, and sometimes it will only refresh when your order arrives to your country. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.